Hello there, Red Wing students. In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to log into your Google account and then log on to um, go into Google Classroom and connect with your teachers through a connection code. So here you want to put in your username, which is going to be um, how do you log into your Chromebook. Make sure that it is all lowercase and at rwps.org. And then obviously with your password, make sure that it is case sensitive. Make sure that if you have any special characters, you're hitting the shift key. Make sure your caps lock is off. Those types of things to make sure that all of the characters are exactly how you type them. So click next, and then you should have everything that you need up in this these these 9 dots up here. And then all of your your G Suite apps will be there. And to get to your Google Classroom would be to click on the classroom emblem there. And then you might have some classes here, you might not. To join a class, you go up here to the plus button and add, click on the join class. And then you will be able to type in the code that you need to join the Google Classroom for your teacher.